Into the abyss, a one-way trip, black holes. The very name conjures up images of the unknown and the terrifying. Just the name sounds scary, no? These cosmic monsters are the stuff of science fiction and nightmares alike. Imagine a place in space where gravity is so strong, nothing, not even light, can escape. These are black holes, regions of space where the gravitational pull is so intense that even the fastest thing in the universe, light, cannot break free. They are like giant cosmic vacuum cleaners sucking up anything that gets too close. Stars, planets, and even entire galaxies can fall victim to their insatiable hunger. What would happen if, by some cosmic accident, you fell into one? Would you be able to send a message back to Earth, or would you be lost forever in the void? Would you be crushed into oblivion or stretched out like spaghetti? This process, known as spaghettification, is as bizarre as it sounds. Buckle up, space cadets, as we take a trip into the heart of a black hole. This journey will push the boundaries of our understanding and imagination. Don't worry, we're not actually going in. Our mission is to explore and learn, not to become cosmic spaghetti. It's a one-way trip, and we prefer our spaceships intact. The mysteries of black holes are best studied from a safe distance. But let's see what science tells us about these mysterious objects. From Einstein's theories to modern astrophysics, black holes continue to intrigue and challenge our understanding of the universe. The ultimate stretch spaghettification. Imagine a giant plate of spaghetti, with you as the main ingredient. That's what scientists call spaghettification. It's not a pretty picture, but it's what happens when you get too close to a black hole. As you approach the black hole, the gravity at your feet becomes much stronger than the gravity at your head. This difference in gravity stretches you out like pulling on a piece of gum. The closer you get, the stronger this stretching force becomes, until eventually you're ripped apart into a long stream of atoms. Ouch! Point of no return event horizon. This is the mysterious boundary surrounding a black hole. Before you become a human noodle, you'll encounter something called the event horizon. It's the ultimate boundary in space. Think of it as the point of no return. Once you cross it, you're in the black hole's grasp. Once you cross this boundary, there's no coming back. It's like stepping off a cliff into the unknown. Not even light can escape the pull of the black hole once it's crossed the event horizon. The gravitational pull is just too strong. Imagine you're on a boat, getting closer to a waterfall. The current gets stronger as you approach. The event horizon is like the edge of the waterfall. Once you get too close, there's no turning back. If you're far away, you can still paddle back to safety. The current isn't too strong yet, but once you go over the edge, you're going down. There's no escape from the plunge. So what happens once you cross the event horizon? The laws of physics as we know them start to break down. Well, that's where things get really strange. Space and time become distorted, and the journey into the black hole begins. Section 4, Time Twister, Gravity's Playground. Inside the event horizon, the rules of space and time as we know them break down. Time itself slows down as you get closer to the center of the black hole, a region called the singularity. Imagine a clock falling into a black hole. From your perspective, outside the event horizon, the clock would appear to slow down as it gets closer and closer to the event horizon. Eventually it would seem to stop altogether. But for the clock itself, time would continue to tick normally. It's just that time inside the black hole is very different from time outside. Section 5. Mysteries Unsolved, A Black Hole's Tale. Black holes have intrigued scientists and astronomers for decades, presenting puzzles that challenge our understanding of the universe. So, what happens at the singularity, the very heart of the black hole? This is a place where the laws of physics as we know them break down completely. That's a question that even the smartest scientists are still trying to figure out. Despite years of research and countless theories, the singularity remains an enigma. Some theories suggest that matter is crushed into an infinitely small point, where density and gravity become infinite. Others propose that black holes might be portals to other parts of the universe, or even other universes. This idea opens up a realm of possibilities for space travel and understanding the cosmos. For now, black holes remain one of the most fascinating and mysterious objects in the cosmos. They captivate our imagination and drive scientific inquiry. They are a reminder of the vastness of the universe and the incredible power of gravity. The gravitational pull of a black hole is so strong that not even light can escape it. Who knows what other secrets these cosmic giants hold? Each discovery leads to more questions, fueling our quest for knowledge. Only time and further exploration will tell. As technology advances, we may one day unlock the mysteries of black holes and uncover the secrets of the universe.